po jako akawuwo.
I'm wondering whether it would not be proper to have an in-house meeting.
Ng'okuvuganya okusalawo ani agenda okuba sipiika wa Palamenti e11 kuli mujiya, ababaka balumirizzaako n'okutabukira nampala wa gavumenti era omubaka omukyalo wa disitulikiti y'Ekiboga Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa olw'okweyisa mu ngeri etali ya Palamenti mu nsonga zaani sipiika Addako.
Without being in the glare of the cameras, with accusations and counter-accusations, without evidence. Right Honorable Speaker, I beg to move.
Ensonga eno etandise ng'essaaga omubaka wa Kabula Honorable James Kakoza bwe yamulugunyiza ku nneeyisa y'ababaka mu Palamenti eno ey'ekkumi ate si bokka ne bannaabwe abagenda okulayira mwezi ogwokutaano, kyagambye nti kino kittattana ekifaananyi kya Palamenti y'eggwanga.
We need to restrain ourselves that as much as these camps are there, but the code of conduct, our rules are clear. These are current members, and we have a decorum. Really, it doesn't augur well for the institution of Parliament.
Nti an institution tebelonginga ku speaker oba deputy speaker eteeka okubeera n'integrity yaayo nga buli muntu alimu agiwa respect.
Ensonga eno ekutte ku babaka bangi era bano banokoddeyo nampala wa gavumenti Honorable Ruth Nankabirwa okuteekawo embeera eno ey'okwawulayawula mu babaka nga abamu beeyita ttiimu Kadaga ate abalala nga beeyita ttiimu Olanya.
The allegations say that SEC does not
want Right Honorable Kadaga, and one of the members has alleged that actually she's my chief whip who is passing all this rumor. So, Right Honorable Speaker, may I have a question that I'm posing to you? Is it true that actually SEC does not want you when we are supporting you? Is it true, Right Honorable Speaker?
Procedure. The Chief Whip has been seen writing that SEC has decided that SEC, that State House is saying, and it has said, that for us who have made a point, and for us who have decided, on record, Right Honorable Speaker, here, the Chief Whip here. So if the Chief Whip is the one leading the other side to mislead and really taint the good reputation of Parliament.
Omubaka Nankabirwa agezezzaako okwewozaako wabula ng'ababaka tebamuli bulungi, omuli n'abamujjukizza ebigambo bye yayogerera sipiika Kadaga mu kulonda abakulembeze b'olukiiko lwa NRM olw'oku ntikko lwa Seeke.
I am the chair of the NRM caucus, and that position makes me a member of the Central Executive Committee of the National Resistance Movement. I attended SEC when we were handling the candidates who had contested at that time for Speaker and Deputy Speaker. What I posted was a reminder of the SEC's decision of 2016.
Ne sipiika Kadaga yeegasse ku babaka okuwakanya ebigambo bya Nankabirwa era ng'ono asabye ababaka abali mu Palamenti obutawubya ababaka bannaabwe abagenda okulayira nga n'engeri kakuyege abaagala obwa sipiika gy'akolwamu agambye nti eri mu mateeka omuli n'ababakubisa t-shirt saako n'ebintu ebirala.
I don't think the Central Executive Committee has a right to bind a future Parliament before it's even elected. That's undemocratic, totally undemocratic. Stop talking about SEC here. We are talking about issues of the House.
Not SEC, not SEC.
We are talking about the issue of the House. Secondly, the Central Executive Committee last sat in the primaries.
Ababaka abaludde mu Palamenti beevumye ekkubo Palamenti lyekutte mu kulonda sipiika wamu n'omumyuka we gye bagambye nti tebangawo mu byafaayo bya Palamenti omuli n'abo abatandise okugaba ensimbi okugulirira ababaka okubalonda.
Parliament is a house where it has honorable members. The process, Madam Speaker, should be an honorable process, and the people to sit there should be people who are dignified, people who have the ability, and people whose integrity is not tainted. Madam Speaker, I'm even interested in becoming a speaker or a deputy speaker, but now without money, how can I be a speaker and a deputy speaker?
When the speaker is voted from here, not voted from State House, not voted from elsewhere, but here.
But Madam Speaker,
I am very disappointed. I am very disappointed when fingers point at the whip who is to be the monitor of the August House.
Kati ensonga eno ejulidde kakiiko ka Palamenti akakwasisa empisa okulaba engeri gyegenda okugonjoolwamu.
And obviously, where the rule is silent, what you're ruling somehow becomes part of the rule. So I wanted members to know that. But more importantly, Madam Speaker, one of the challenges we have as the Rules Committee that has almost rendered us to be a toothless bulldog in a way is that even when we see things in the press out there, if we don't, our rule only allows us to look into a matter.
Ndisara Nandaula, kura ABS TV, Jakaka Uwo.
Don't ask me which team I am. I'm very clear, I'm Team Kadaga.